Let's go! We got a box of Celebrations Pikachu V Union. Go ahead and start. On the back, it looks like it comes with 4 foil promo cards. That's the Pikachu stuff we see in the beginning. There's an oversized card. There's that Professor Burnett. 4 Celebrations boosters. 2 regular boosters. And then a code card. Well, let's get started. I'm going to start by opening the side. Look at that. Comes in like this nice yellow. Open it up. White code card. Professor Burnett. We have Pikachu. This one just looks so silly. Yeah, put this one to the side. Also comes with celebration packs. Yeah, it's such a fun set. Alright, I'm going to start with the Darkness Ablaze. I'm going to go into these for next. I should have spoiled it. I don't even need to do it. I already know there's nothing there. Okay, nothing there. First Celebrations pack. Ooh, Xerneas. Cosmog. Zekrom. And then Lunala. Nothing on that first pack. Xerneas. Ooh, a Dawn fan. There's like that nice little lighting on the borders. And a Mew. Very nice. Ho-Oh, Kyogre, and a Lunala. We're on our last pack. Hopefully we get something good. Xerneas, Cosmog. Oh my gosh, we got the Umbreon V. This is one of the cards. Oh my gosh. This card and Charizard were the 2 cards I really wanted. Oh my gosh, what a beauty. Wow. And a Mew. Wow, I can't believe we actually hit it. That's so cool. Alright, well, that's it for the video. Okay.